All right, good morning, guys. YouTube people, world, whoever. Half fast, 719, back at it. Gonna be installing some LEDs and a harness on the old first gen. How old is this truck? 30 years old? 93, 03, 13, 23, 30 years old. I don't know why it was so hard for me to do that math, but anyway. So, as you guys know, dreaded wiring issues, duck bill, duck foot, whatever you want to call this stupid thing. Yeah, anyway. Turns out that relay we don't need, because it was for fog lights. So I'm probably gonna pull that relay off of there and see about the harness, because I kind of think that was staying on, because there's a switch in the truck that you click. Right here was the fog lights. Apparently, my kid said there was fog lights on the truck when he bought it. I don't remember that, but I guess so. Maybe he took them off when he first got it, because I wasn't home when he got it. So anyway, yeah, gonna be installing this 100 watt high beam, 100 watt low beam, 50, and then D4 high beam 2000 Toyota A1 H4 something or other. I don't know. I have no clue. Made in Taiwan. This wiring harness is not intended to be a replacement to existing wiring. It is intended to plug your existing wiring and components. So basically, what it's saying is it's not going to the switch, to the light switch, and then out. It's just coming from the light connector, which is there, that goes on the back of the light bulb. It comes from positive to a relay, and then ground, whatever. So anyway, looks like we got two positives, 2 grounds, 2 relays, 2 female connectors, 1 male connector, and a whole bunch of wiring. So anyway, this is what my plan is for the morning. We've thrown in these LED lights. Gotta see if they work or don't work. They come with the fan, or with the male ROHS, whatever that stands for. So these are the bulbs, supposedly 3. I think the lower 5 and 1 come on, and for low beam, and then high beam, it's all of them. So can't technically put them in unless they say up and down. If they say up or down, then we'll be good. If they don't say up or down, top or bottom, then I don't know. I'm assuming that's the bottom where the wire comes out. I could be wrong. So anyway, I'm just gonna plug them in, see what's top and bottom, because the lower 5 plus 1 middle are supposed to be low beam, and then all the others are supposed to be high beam. So anyway, I'm gonna take these little shields off here, take the light bulb itself out, not the housing. Hopefully these light bulbs fit in these housings in here. So anyway, let me get a Phillips screwdriver and go from there. We'll see how that works. So let's see how it works. So yeah, the wire being on the bottom is wire on the bottom is where it's supposed to go. DOT, SAE, E9 going on the top. So there's still the plastic film on here, so I'm gonna take that off, button this up, do the other side, and then start with the wiring harness. Go from there. And yeah, I just realized that there's supposed to be a cover here. Anyway, maybe I'll see if I can't figure out something to make for that, or far from stock make something. Anyway, another video at a time. Alright, let me get all these lights in and then start with the wiring. Alright guys, so I took the lights out, or the one light out. As you can see, it's the 5 bottom and the one in the middle for low beam. And then the high beam is all of them. Whether that's going to put out enough light or not, I don't know. I mean, that's high beam, apparently. So we'll see how it works. So yeah, the wire being on the bottom is wire on the bottom is where it's supposed to go. DOT, SAE, E9 going on the top. So anyway, there's still the plastic film on here, so I'm gonna take that off, button this up, do the other side, and then start with the wiring harness. Go from there. And yeah, I just realized that there's supposed to be a cover here. Anyway, maybe I'll see if I can't figure out something to make for that, or I think Far From Stock makes something. Anyway, another video, another time. All right, let me get all these lights in and then start with the wiring. All right, people. So we got the lights installed. Both for dims. Wiring was kind of a little difficult because I think it's a little short for where I wanted the relays. I wanted the relays over here. I got rid of the one relay. I was trying to put them here where all the relays go. When I put them there, this wiring barely reached, and this wiring went to about right here. So I ended up having to bring them forward and screwed them to underneath on the battery tray. Right there, 2 self-drilling screws, little sheet metal screws. But it's all installed. Got the positive over here. Obviously, positive. Anyway, yeah, so got rid of the one harness, or one relay that was right here. Yellow wires went into there for the fog light deal, so got rid of that cluster. Zip tied this amp wire underneath, make it look a little cleaner, I guess, under here. But yeah, but do they work? So let's see if they work. Pretty sure I've already tested them. The dreaded buzz. So got those. Boop boop. Anyway, then we'll throw the high beams on. Full and full. Anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. Turn all this madness off. I'm not going to end the video here. I'll end the video tonight when I do a little, I guess, not really a comparison, but a night view of it. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Hurry up. Anyway, but yeah, so we'll do a little night view up against the garage. But for the meantime, I am done, and I'm gonna check to see where you can get some of this little cover here. If I can either make it out of some of whatever that is, stuff like wheel well liner stuff or whatever. But anyway, guys, that's it. It's a relay kit install and light install. And yeah, this wiring that comes factory from the truck, I just have it tucked back in here, out of the way, because you don't use that. You use the relay. So like I said, it goes from battery to relay, then relays out to the truck. So the truck driver's side connector, that plugs into the male connector of the harness. Then you have a female connects to the light, and a female that connects to the light with the ground and a ground. So you don't use the factory harness on this side, the stock truck harness on this side, that goes away. And but yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, we'll see you guys at nighttime. Thanks for watching. We'll be back. See how bright these bad boys get. All right, guys, so it is, I don't know, 6:30, something like that. Got some darkness. Oh boy, those are bright. Oh boy. Those are very bright. Might have to see if I can't lower those bad boys. Let's throw the high beams on. Oh boy, those are even more brighter. That's weird how they do a round and then this round deal over here. Kind of weird. So we'll go grab me a Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna bring those lights down. And yeah, I don't know what the kid's gonna do, but I'd run them for sure. That's just me. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, look, balloon. crazy balloon up there. Everybody talking about this balloon. Aliens are coming. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Keep being you. Don't be whatever. Alright, gotta go. Later.